In front of me is HonorPad V9 and today I would like to show you how you can change font style. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to click on Display and Brightness. Then scroll again to select Fonts over here. And finally, select Latest or Free. Now pick a perfect font style for you. Click on it, choose Download, and tap on Apply. So when I go back, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you want to go back to your default font style, you need to access the same settings. And this time select Me category at the top to click on Default or Android. Now hit Apply at the bottom here and wait. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!